Hey, it's Tommy Z, and welcome back to Tommy Z Travels. Sorry for the hiatus, but my fiance was able to travel here, so I took some time to reunite with her. She was able to experience upstate New York in the spring, and generally, the cherry blossoms in this area bloom about a week earlier than she came, so it worked out perfectly. We mostly did some stuff with my family, so we weren't really able to travel a whole lot. But fast forward a few weeks till the very end of April when we went to New York City. So what was it like, just a year after the lockdown? Well, here we go. New York City, April 2021. Well, to start, we took the Amtrak via Syracuse to New York City. It surprisingly was pretty full, maybe about 75% of the seats were taken, and it did seem like everybody did comply with the mask rule, other than eating and taking a sip of water, of course. When we arrived at Penn Station in New York City, I was absolutely shocked. Almost nobody there. I brushed it off as more of a transportation type issue. Maybe it had something to do with people weren't comfortable using the subway systems or the train systems yet. But when I went outside, I realized this is the new normal as of now. From a tourist point of view, it was actually pretty nice since it was much less crowded than usual. But there was this little bit of sadness to the air. Our hotel was just outside of New York City, the Millennium Times Square, so we were able to see down into the Times Square kind of view a little bit. And at 2 a.m., there was almost nobody there. I actually saw maybe 5 people altogether, and 2 or 3 of them ended up being the Times Square, New York City Police Department. Imagine, the city that never sleeps. Well, with the density being much less than it usually is, we were able to travel and get around a lot easier. One of Chelsea's must-sees for this trip was the vessel. Unfortunately, it was closed, so we weren't able to go up it, but we were able to get really close to it and admire the architecture, which is why she wanted to go. We did know about all this in advance since, of course, we Googled everything, which I recommend if you're going to travel anywhere, Google it, make sure that it isn't shut down or that the hours haven't been changed around a little bit, just so you're not disappointed when you get there and it's closed. We also went to the shops in Hudson Yard just across the street. We went to Dumbo, a few places in Manhattan, Chinatown. We also went to the 9/11 Memorial since her uncle had not seen that yet. Then we took a ride out to Jersey City to go to Little Manila to get some Filipino foods, of course. So in the interest of hearing me babble on and on and on, here's a montage of New York City moving on from COVID. I hope you enjoyed this video, and sorry again for the hiatus and delay on the videos. No matter what country you're from, I really hope to see you bounce back and start to recover. If you like my video, please drop me a like and subscribe down below. And also, check out my Facebook, Instagram, and my website for a little bit more content that I don't put here on YouTube. And as always, have a wonderful day.